This is retiring today. Okay, guys, congratulations. You both made it to the showcase.
Thank you. That's hard work. Hard work.
Only two make it, so
you made it to the showcase. I do want to recap the score, though, here. We have our own scoring system.
Please
here
do.
on
Let's revisit this.
If we don't have time, that's okay.
Loren Merkle has 3 correct answers or winning answers. Chawn, you have 1. So you've got a lot of ground to make up for here in the showcase.
This is the important part,
It's redemption
though. This
time.
is big money. I'm looking for a new car.
Because this is the inflation edition, we're not guessing the price today. We are guessing the price of these items 20 years from today. Are you ready for your items?
It's a good thing Sean's a human calculator.
The showcase. Okay, item number 1. And I would like your score to be cumulative of these 3, obviously.
Okay.
Guys. Okay, item number 1.
It's cumulative too.
Round Hill Furniture, 5-piece bedroom set. A Round Hill Furniture 5-piece bedroom set. Item number 2. 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Hyatt Zilara, or is it Zilara, in Cancun. Good.
4-2?
What's that?
4-2?
4
2 people?
4 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have that
We got to do
information
some
in front
serious
of me.
calculations here, Molly.
Sure, for 2 people.
You're not going by yourself, so.
That's true. Item number 3, a 2023 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab.
With all the bells and whistles?
Well, Loren, I'm glad you asked, because this quad cab has a towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds.
4x4?
That's the information I have right now. And I am looking back into my calculation notes, and I do have you and a guest will enjoy.
Oh,
4
good,
nights and
good.
5 days
Okay.
at the Hyatt in Cancun. You're gonna have stunning views, gourmet cuisine, and entertainment. Oh, that Round Hill Furniture too, while you calculate, that is a whitewash finish, in case that changes your calculations.
It does. Thank you.
Okay guys, we'll give you 10 more seconds to come up with your guesses. So, because you're losing, Chawn,
For now.
for now, you will have your guess first. So, the price in 20 years, and I will tell you, I assumed a 2.5% rate of inflation. I need your general
Good to know.
rate
Good
of
to know
inflation
now.
on these items. What are you guessing these items will cost in 20 years?
All right, guys, the winning bid. 5s are wild. I'm going with $55,555.
Okay.
For all 3?
Yes.
All 3 items.
I don't think you like my
55.
answer, Lauren.
Okay.
Well,
Loren Merkle, what do you have?
They are substantially different. I'm just putting the final touches on it.
Okay, put the final touches on that answer. Okay, Loren, revealing. He's got 107,900. Wow, guys,
Rest.
very interesting. Well, I will tell you this. The price today of those 3 items is $43,858.
Okay, I'm not over.
You're definitely not over.
Definitely not over.
I am definitely over.
And the price in 20 years of those items with a 2.5% rate of inflation will be $71,867. Chawn Honkomp, you are the winner of the showcase.
So a new car. I was looking forward to it.
Protest the price.
I knew that was coming. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I recently bought a Ram and
Okay, yes, 37,410.
It was a little more than 37,000.
Well, okay, I didn't have all the bells and whistles, but Cancun about $4,000. The Round Hill Furniture about $2,300. The Dodge Ram, $37,410 for the 1500.
I'll submit my appeal later.
Yeah.
Nice job. Congratulations.
You could
Thank you,
congratulate
thank you.
Chawn. Okay.
What's interesting, this is something we do all the day, every day, all day, talking to our families, and look how different our price is, almost twice as much, right? We're thinking about inflation, we're thinking about a time frame, and yet it is very challenging to know what kind of inflation rate are we dealing with, what kind of time frame. Obviously, nobody ever knows. You don't know how long your retirement journey is going to be, so it's always interesting to see this.
And that's also why within the plan we build in a lot of what ifs, because everybody knows life is very uncertain. There's a lot we can plan all day long, but life is going to be different than what we plan. So within the course of the next 20 years, there's going to be a lot of events that cost more money than what we can accurately plan for today, which is why we have the what if bucket. What if we need to put a new roof on? What if the Dodge Ram doesn't really cost $37,000, it's really $70,000. There's a lot of things that we have to account for that we can't really detailed today.
Someone's a bad loser. But anyways, I was thinking about those uncertainties too. And yeah, it'd be great if you guys could really tell me what things are going to cost in 20 years. You know what else I'd love for you guys to tell me? What's going to happen with the stock market? Please tell me. When's it going to go up? When should I get in? I mean, yes, if you knew the answer to that, well, we wouldn't be sitting here, but you have to build in some assumptions on that as well.
Yeah, we most definitely do. And it's important that we use the right assumptions with this, because nobody really knows what's going to happen with the stock market. A lot of people say, hey, let's use an average of 8% rate of return, because since the 50s, the S&P's averaged about 8%. However, since 2000, the S&P 500, 100% equity portfolio has only averaged 6.5%. So if you're averaging or using an assumption of 8, 9, 10%, which we've seen many times, then the outcome could be substantially different than what you planned. So with those types of assumptions, we have to be really conservative and make sure we're using an assumption that hopefully in reality, you're going to experience something much different, much better. But if not, you're not going to be underwater substantially based on a higher assumption.
And the plan doesn't have these secrets. The plan doesn't have the answers. Having that plan is meant to provide you the best information so that you can switch from being reactive as you go through your career to being in a proactive stance, and have all the information, have the best information that we can gather to make those decisions. And then as life happens, all we gotta do is slow down a little bit, adjust, and we're not starting from scratch.
Thank you for watching this clip of Retiring Today, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about your retirement plan, take advantage of the complimentary 15-minute retirement checkup phone call.